Happy Wednesday morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. So today I'm going to fry some chicken wings, and I'm really not sure what I'm going to fix with them. I may do some stir fry. Well, no, I don't have any. Well, you know what? I got some cauliflower. I might do stir fry, one of my stir fry packets, and use the cauliflower, use steamed vegetables. I think I'm going to do that. Well, anyway, so what I have here, all I have here is the chicken, a little regular salt, and I forgot I had this. Is the Tony's saturated. This is very good. It's the more spicy. You know, I keep the Tony's, but this is the more spicy one. But then the other one is the regular. But with this one, it's a little more peppery, not more salt. But if you like an extra kick, then that's what this does for you. But anyway, all I'm gonna do is I'm marinating it in it. So I've already cleaned it with some vinegar water. Drain that, and then I added this more spice Tony Creole seasoning to it, and then I'm going to pour the buttermilk over it, and I'm going to let that sit in there all day. I'm going to call my son about 2 o'clock to take it out, and then when I come home it'll be at room temperature, because if you ever cook your meat and it's not at room temperature, it's going to be tough. So I'm going to just go ahead and start marinating it now, and then I'll actually have him to take it out of the refrigerator and just let it sit. But what I'm going to do, you know, I poured that buttermilk off. So it's going to also pour some of this extra spice off, because I don't really like it that spicy. But this will add a little extra, you know, to the meat mixture for later. But anyway, it's Wednesday morning, y'all. Welcome all my new subscribers. I even had someone tell me that he has a restaurant over in Japan and he was using some of my restaurants. Man, that made my day. So if you're watching, hi. I'd love to see pictures. Anyway, y'all, so I'm going to get ready to get off of here, and I am getting ready for work. Had a rough day yesterday, but through it all I made it, and let's just kind of keep putting him first to help us get through things, because we don't have any control, right? All right, y'all, have a blessed day. Much love. Bye.